all is going to be made for Methi Arbi Pakodi. This is all going to be made from methi. All that. This is beetroot juice, and this is adrak lasun. Here also I have adrak lasun, but here also ginger garlic. So all this will be added in it, and here I am mashing it. I'm going to mash it like potatoes. I have made a powder into this, but right now I have used it for this pakoras rather than besan. So you also can try, rather than basting the chanas which I have bought. So I roasted and I'm going to make it a recipe out of this. So you also make the besan. It's one of the same. So use the friends. Not using my hands. This is pakoda. Methi Arbi pakoda. Try it, friends, and have it. Thanks for watching. Baba, इसका एक फोटो निकलेगा प्रॉपर ना. This is all going to be made from besan. It's one of the same.